So kahit anong gawin mo, may masasabi at masasabi pa rin ng ibang tao sa'yo. So let them. Let them judge. Alam mo yung feeling na gustong-gusto mong gawin ang isang bagay, pero natatakot kang subukan kasi baka ma-judge ka. Nakaka-relate ka ba? Maybe gusto mong maging content creator o mag-start ng business o kaya naman magsulat ng libro. Pwede ding sumayaw, kumanta, yung mga bagay na matagal mo na talagang gustong gawin pero pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo dahil lang sa takot. Takot na may masabi yung iba, takot na pagtawanan ka, takot na hindi mo maintindihan. Alam mo, I've been there. And honestly, that fear can paralyze you. It stops you before you even start. But here's what helped me. Nabasa ko yung Let Them Churi by Mel Robbins. Sabi niya, you have zero control over someone else's opinion of you. So kahit anong gawin mo, may masasabi at masasabi pa rin ng ibang tao sa'yo. So let them. Let them judge, let them question you, let them doubt you. Let them roll their eyes. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang may hawak ng buhay mo. Ang importante, proud ka sa sarili mo. Sabi nga niya, let me do what I want to do with my one wild and precious life. And that hit me hard kasi totoo yun eh. Totoong-totoo yun. Buhay mo to, hindi ka nila. So if you are watching this and you've been holding yourself back, this is your sign. Start the thing that makes you feel alive. Do what makes you feel alive. So let them talk while you grow, create, and live fully. So comment let them if it spoke to you at i-share mo ito sa taong kailangan din na marinig ito. Let's stop living for their approval and start living for our purpose.